Magnaflow. Put your hands up!
What's up, guy? Welcome back. We've been gone for a while, but we've been getting our ducks in a row, so look forward to some more wheeling videos coming up. So now we're working on getting his new exhaust, magnaflow, high flow magnaflow cat. We're gonna do a little bit of welding, and we're gonna get this sucker back together. I got my Jeep basically back together. We gotta do the torque converter. I gotta rip the transmission back out again. But summer's coming, so we're gonna get everything ready, and we're gonna be doing a lot of wheeling, and we're gonna get a lot of videos. So before we get into the video with a new exhaust on, I'll show you a video of what it sounds like open headers. It's a 5.9 liter V8, 1998, and I mean, it sounds pretty good, but it's totally impractical, and you know, it's not going to pass emissions or inspection like that, but it definitely sounds pretty badass. And we'll let you check that out, and then I'll give you a video of what it sounds like with the new magnaflow exhaust, which sounds good. It has a nice tone to it, so it's nice and mellow. It's not like droney or obnoxious, but I mean, it is what it is. Of course, you're not going to get, you know, that badass muscle car open header sound, but that's not really what we're going for. We're going for like a nice, you know, gentle tone, and still has sounds like it has some balls. But I'll let you check that out. And I know people are gonna comment and be like, "Oh, you should have left the open headers." No, not what we're looking for. But for now, you know, we did this, and we wanted to make sure that it would be road legal, pass inspection. Nobody's gonna be pulling us over and giving us a problem for how loud it is. So here you go.
Yeah!
5.9 open header for now.
Make it shine. I might even let some room over here.
So now we got a new cat, and we're gonna weld this bung hug adapter on. What are we gonna call it? Come show. So this is an old O2 sensor. This is not the actual one. We're not dumbasses welding and frying our new sensor. This is just there for gauging because we had to drill a hole with the unibit. So we're gonna weld this on and get this secured. This is a little bung kit that comes for it. And
You're not quit your yapping and weld it.
yeah, I know. Well, I'm just trying to explain what the hell's going on.
Ooh, I might have to hold that.
Yeah, hold it.